In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Figma buttons interactive. Let's dive right in and make those buttons come alive in just a few short minutes. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Figma. For those who might be unfamiliar, Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that allows users to work seamlessly with team members on creating interfaces and interactive elements like buttons. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not, go ahead and click on the login button to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This seems like a simple step, but it's crucial as it sets up the premise for everything to follow. Now locate a project file you'd like to work on. Click on this file, which will open up the design workspace. Don't worry if you're not sure which file to choose, just pick one you're comfortable working with. This workspace is where all the interactive magic will happen. Next, look for the action area or tab in the design interface. You'll need to click on it. This section of Figma is vital for adding interactive components, so it's an area you'll become very familiar with as you enhance your design skills. Now it's time to unleash the power of interaction. Go ahead and search for interactive button options. This functionality allows you to add more life to your designs by incorporating movement or effects that respond to user actions like clicks or hovers. Once you've located the options, the next step is to click on the Smart Button Generator. This handy tool will simplify the process of creating interactive buttons, offering pre-configured templates and options that save time while still allowing for customization. Finally, you'll need to click on the Generate button. Watch as Figma works its magic, creating an interactive button that you can modify to suit the theme or purpose of your design. This step is where your ideas start transforming into tangible elements within your project, adding both functionality and an enhanced user experience. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created interactive buttons in Figma. This process not only elevates your design, but also enhances the usability and engagement of your interface. Over time, as you become more comfortable with these tools, you'll find myriad ways to customize and animate various elements within your design projects. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember to practice these steps to hone your skills. Happy designing!